Choosing between Minecraft, Java Edition and Bedrock Edition can feel like picking your favorite diamond tool, but which one truly shines brighter? Let's break it down, starting with Java Edition, the OG. Step 1. Java's all about customization. Mods, resource packs, and custom servers are incredibly easy to install and offer limitless possibilities to reshape your gameplay. Think dragons, technology, or even completely new game modes. Next, Bedrock steps up with cross-platform play. Step 2. If you want to play with friends on Xbox, Switch, PlayStation, mobile, and PC, Bedrock is your go-to. Java requires everyone to be on a PC. Then, Bedrock has the Minecraft marketplace. Step 3. You can purchase skins, texture packs, and worlds created by community members. While Java has free mods, Bedrock's official store offers a curated selection with ensured compatibility. Now, Redstone. Step 4. Java Redstone is known for its quirks and complexities, making it more challenging but also opening the door for intricate contraptions. Bedrock Redstone is more predictable, but less versatile. Finally, price. Step 5. Java is a one-time purchase. Bedrock requires a separate purchase for each platform. So which is better? It really depends on what you're looking for. Ultimately, the better Minecraft boils down to your priorities. Modding and complexity versus cross-platform play and simplicity. Choose wisely, and happy crafting.